Tu nâng rong, yun tía chỉ một chong, yun gia là gió chỉ bỏ. Tu phong như rong, nâng tư là xả mua, chong tu là yu xả tạo. Tu chỉ rong mua chờ, nữ chỉ muôn tạo. Và vư giấy tu nâng rong, mua lúc xe rong. Giờ tu phong như rong, thế tu chỉ rong. Nữ mua lúc xe rong, xả ba chua lành. Mua lúc xe đỡ bầu, lúc chua tù. Nữ nhẹ la lù rong, thế hải khó rong. Nữ giấy tu nâng qua, thế chỉ nhẹ, sai chỉ nhẹ lù. Nữ ý chữ hải tìa. Mò yu rong cha mò lùa. Khi yu rong cha khi lùa. Wo nâng nhỏ yu chủ ba sợ đời. Lu sợ đời. Yu lu do yu chủ chỉ cho cụ sĩ. Wo rong thiê tàu rong. Xá rong thiê bỏ khó rong. Tu lùa chi nhẹ nữ hải lo lù rong tàu. Tu lùa chi ba nữ ba. Tu lùa chi bao nữ bao. Tu lùa trái chỉ tàu do nữ tu phong như. Tu lùa chi lu nữ lu. Luôn tia tế nọ chế yếu trời ý tu nâng rong. Chế yếu trình gì ý tu rong lên nữ lợ. Cho nâng nữ bao. Nữ chế nâng. Nữ tu bao nìa thế nữ cho mình nhỏ. Chế yếu gió thế chùa. Thế yếu trình gì ý tu rong lên nữ lợ.
Everybody has someone who had greatly impacted their life. Someone who lived their life to the fullest and with no regrets. To us, that someone is none other than our dad, Vue Xiong. January 1st, 1944, in Sankong province of Laos, was where Vue was born. This man, as we know, lived his life by certain principles. These principles were to help others as much as he would like to be helped, to treat others with kindness and bless others with the best in life. Patience is not just a word nor a practice, but a way of life. As special as this man is to us, he had not just left us with principles or words, but with great memories that we will never forget. Vue is our father and will one day be our father again. Until then, we will live united, we will live happily, and we will live by this man's wishes no matter what happens. Every word he had said, every tear he had shed will never be forgotten and will always be with us no matter where we are or where we go. As hard as it is, your last dying words will echo in our hearts forever and guide us to a better life. There is nothing that we can do or wish for but to be more like him. We hope that your kind heart will always and forever be with us. We wish for your journey to be as swift and as peaceful as possible. No matter where we go or where we search in this world, we will never be able to replace you, to replace a great father that you have been to all of us. To those whose lives he has touched, we do hope for you to acknowledge this great man and bid him farewell. This man will not only be missed by his family, but throughout the community and to those whose lives he has touched with his kindness. This man was our dad, and a great dad he was. We will one day reunite with our father and share the laughter we had together once again. We love you so much, and we will miss you for the rest of our lives. In loving memories of our dad, Vue Xiong.
nâng xìa rong cha thao cu trăng nho cu nia đua pla cu chi thia ta trao cu nia nọ có cu lo mùa gió trăng thao cu yu bông liền cha chữ chúa lo gì lo ô chỉ lu chỉ tu chỉ ta lu nu我chờ bỏ kề chỉ khu chỉ kia có cú chân chê chỉ lu chiến chi tu yo nhân trong我能莫功劳为莫记我能莫给说着当度里莫自由天莫努达若自由中若努莫念lo rong chi chúa cố chỉ chữ bia lo chỉ uo nó mua con mua mẹ lo rong chi chúa cố chỉ uo ye路前去，度我nhân中，我能莫功劳为莫记，我能莫给说着当度，里莫自由天莫努达。chỉ yo rong luôn nu mua nhia lo rong chi chúa cố chỉ chữ bia lo chỉ uo nó mua con mua mẹ lo rong chi chúa cố chỉ uo ye
chế phứ có lý lu tao hồng cố thong cá tê ua trâu tao tao ua đu trắng tao cho có lo lú cu lo ô lu nu cá lu trâu cu bỏ kê có yo tu chi chế ua mua lu xia rong cha có gì ua trâu trâu có kê lu